Hello guys, this is Girish Bhatia. I'll be demonstrating on hiding files behind the files. So let's begin. I'll make three files. First is a.txt, another is b.txt, the third one is c.txt. The contents would be this is file A. I'll save it and I'll close it. Now the content in this would be this is file B. I'll save it and I'll close it. The content in this would be this is file C. I'll save it and I'll close it. Notice that the file size of each file is 14 bytes. a.txt 14 bytes, b.txt 14 bytes, c.txt 14 bytes. Okay, now this is very crucial. Now each file has some namespace provided to its pointer. Like a.txt, this file name occupies some space in memory. The 14 bytes which you can see, actually these are the 14 characters. This 4 characters 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now each character in ASCII notation is 1 byte. So the file size of a.txt is 14 bytes. But still a.txt is 5 characters though, so that means some 5 bytes, it is occupying 5 bytes in memory. Those 5 bytes are in namespaces, and that is different for different kind of file extension, rather the drive formats, file systems. So now we'll get into hiding the files. To hide the files, we'll open command prompt cmd. I'll browse to that folder cd desktop wh, and it is hide. Okay, now we'll once just check into the contents of this file. Yeah, you can see a.txt, b.txt, c.txt. Okay, so we'll clear the screen. Now we'll hide file A behind file. To hide b.txt file behind a.txt, we'll type a.b.txt opening angle bracket a.txt colon b.txt. This implies that b.txt file is being hidden behind a.txt. We'll go on and press enter, and now we come to our folder and delete the b.txt file. Still you can see the space, rather memory space of both the files is still 14 bytes. We have not even touched C, so we'll don't bother about it. Now a.txt is still 14 bytes. Okay, we'll go into command prompt, and to view our deleted b.txt file, we'll write notepad a.txt colon b.txt. We'll press enter. Now voila, this is file B, which is deleted. Now this implies that, rather this says that b.txt is hidden behind the a.txt file, but still in this folder you can see its memory space is 14 bytes. Now that's not a miracle, it's a pure logic. The space provided to the namespace provided to the pointer for that file. A.txt is a pointer to the file. It is not a file. It is a pointer to the file. The pointer of the b.txt file is now stored behind a.txt. Hence we are accessing it with the help of a.txt colon b.txt. Now we'll do similarly with c.txt colon a.txt opening angle bracket a.txt colon c.txt. We'll press enter. We'll delete the file c.txt and we'll access the deleted file c.a.txt colon c.txt. This is file C. Now we'll get back into our folder and view the memory space. The size of file, it's still 8.14 bytes, but it contains three files. c.txt, this is file C, and b.txt. Now you can see the title of both of the files. It says a.txt colon c.txt, a.txt colon b.txt. Now, but you will think we have deleted the files from here, but still it is able to access it. When we press delete button, we don't actually delete our file. We delete the pointer to that file. That file is still into hard drive, but we cannot see into our folder or cannot access it directly. Okay, but using this, now if I delete a.txt file, I won't be able to access all the files. Now this kind of operation is known as alternate data streams, and this is only supported by NTFS file format. And now if we try to move or copy this file a.txt into a FAT32 or any other file system, we lose both of the files. Now this is another folder which is into FAT32 file system. I'll paste it here. It gives me a prompt. Are you property loss? Are you sure you want to move this file without its properties? Okay, if I press yes, okay, and suppose my properties are lost and I'll again move it back to the original folder, and now I try to view it into the command prompt. I'll type notepad a.txt colon b.txt. I'm unable to get my file back because I have lost this pointer into fat.32. This proves that this operation is only supported into NTFS file system. Well guys, this was all for this topic. Now we'll probably meet into our next topic. Thank you.